Hi, I'm Heidi Baker, co-founder of Iris Global. We're here in Mozambique where we live, and Cyclone Kenneth has really hit the northern region here. Over 200,000 people are left without homes. They're in need of food, medical care, help right now. And most of all, they're in need of the love and mercy of God. People are drastically affected by this cyclone and the floods. It just keeps on raining. We're praying for great mercy. We're praying for the sun to come out and hope to rise up. We're working together with thousands and thousands of our Mozambican brothers and sisters to be the hands and feet of Jesus. There are so many heroes right now, Mozambican heroes and internationals that have come in, the Brazilian bombeiros, the medical teams from around the world. We're so happy to have all the people that just have such a heart to help in a situation like this. These people are beautiful, resilient, and a very, very strong population, but they are in need of help, they're in need of prayer, they're in need of mercy. We're also working very closely with the government here in Mozambique. We just want to be the hands and the feet of Jesus here together with thousands of us Mozambicans and the internationals that come alongside. We're ready to receive people that have training in the area of disaster relief, medical training, building training. We're ready to receive you here. We're asking for your prayers. We're asking for you to just remember us here in Mozambique. We love you and we bless you.